We went to the lake in like Jordanelle or something. Took your
Fuck,
boat
I
out.
wrote down.
It was like 7 years ago or something.
I was like, it's been a while. Yeah.
um,
Whoa.
I hated looking down while in the water because it made me so scared. Like, oh, is there something gonna come up from beneath us or something? Nope, don't
There's
jump
a.
down there.
Alright, everybody just jump off and hope for the best.
I'm gonna fall right here.
That's exactly what you should do in a shipwreck situation.
Oh, hello. Am I on to something here? I think so.
How'd you guys get over there?
Max died.
We're just better, Jeremy.
Max, you are not supposed to fall right there.
I know that now.
I feel like. I don't know if I can make it to that ledge.
How'd you guys get over there?
Oh!
I didn't even notice this.
You
Can
can
I
do
drop right here? Oh, I can. Oh,
We have to go.
Oh, the door's
this way.
locked.
No, no, no. Other side, Max. This way.
oh,
Oh,
and then up. There it is, level 2.
whoa! No.
Okay, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Go
No,
up.
you're good.
Go
No,
up.
You can't go back.
There you go.
You can't go that
Level
way.
2.
Just failed
Ooh, this is cool. Oh, there's an umbrella.
There's like a whole thing of. Oh, you can't go by this. Look at
This is cool
We're
though.
like,
This
wait.
is so. We're not even
Max, we're
that
just
far
kind of,
past,
we're
just
just,
stuck
we're
down
just
here.
scoping. Yeah, we're just scoping.
Yeah, not waiting.
Alright, we're waiting.
We're not doing anything.
It doesn't matter now. I'm here.
Oh,
Wait, I wonder if we need to get on top of the.
oh, dang it. That's what I was trying.
So
I don't know if there's a
way.
way.
That's a mantle.
I know.
Oh.
Well, what was that? Weird. Stuck.
Check the boxes and stuff. It's like, can we drop off the sides, or is that just not?
Yes, you can.
Are
Don't do
you?
it.
Is that a no?
Oh,
Wait, what did you find? Wait, next one.
I found that vent
Wait.
way over here.
Wait.
How did you get? Oh, I thought. Oh, that's so sneaky. Wait, I'll wait for it.
Okay,
Up
check.
right here.
Yeah, level 3.
Wow.
I did something. I contributed.
Next contribute.
I contributed.
Wait, this is.
Locked and open. Ooh.
Shit,
It's
Nothing in there.
a bathroom.
right here.
Yeah.
Wait, it's on top of the door. Yeah, it's on top of the door. I got a rusty can. Unlock door.
Wait, yeah,
Oh,
Jeremy,
I-
this door's locked.
Yeah, unlock
Did
this
I
door.
unlock it?
No.
It didn't lock it. I have a rusty. Oh, I locked this door up here.
Oh.
Now I have a rusty can. Oh, I probably have to throw it at something.
Oh, I'm up.
There we go.
Oh, wait, I probably have to throw it at the. Can we get up to this thing?
In one of these
I
paintings, I bet.
think we have to open this door right here.
Yeah, there's
Oh, bro, Jeremy, look at this painting.
It has a red thing
Oh, it's
above
above.
it. So.
I'm gonna that. Oh, that worked. Did that help? Anything? Did that do
Yeah, it opened the door.
Oh,
It opened
this
the
door's
door.
open.
Oh, right here. This one's open too.
It opened. Yeah, both of those.
Oh.
What'd you get? Oh, what the heck? That's cool. He really outdoing himself.
I know. Wait, so that's level 5. What's that way? Just not go that way. Oh,
Probably die if you go the other way.
We have to go through here somehow. Yeah, I was thinking. Actually, that's why we killed us. Wait, up here. Let's make this. Up here. We have to go up here. Go on top of this.
oh.
Ooh, that was close. Level 6.
Jordan, you're not contributing at all.
Let's go. Level 6.
I did contribute. I contributed on the first level. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Number
I
1
found
of
level-
6.
Yeah. I found level 2.
I found level 2. I don't know what you're talking about.
That was me.
That was
What you're
all
talking
me.
about.
I think Jeremy's onto something.
Dude, I literally don't know how to get up here. I just got up here. Bruh. I just found it.
Bruh.
Oh, you're kidding.
Is this the way? Oh, this is the way. Oh, that was it? Oh. Oh, wait, now we're down here. Okay, I'll wait for you guys. Wait for Jordan.
Ah,
Oh no,
this is where I died the very first time.
Yeah.
I was almost there.
Ah.
Hello.
Oh wait,
I feel like you have to go up.
wait, you can
Oh.
come down here.
I'm stuck.
Wait, Max, which way did you go? What?
Just the same way that we did before the game started.
Wait, I wanna go check up here, 'cause I feel like there's something up here.
Okay.
No, you know,
Wait, I can turn these lights on and I can turn them off.
Oh, that about killed me. Oh. I feel like this fire is gonna kill me. Oh no, it's not. Oh, there's a hole over here. What is this? Nothing.
I'm dead.
I'm not. Yeah, Jordan found it.
What did Jordan find?
Oh wait, what? How did you get up there?
Parkour.
Oh, the lights are on. I can't.
Did you jump
Oh.
over here? Over here.
Hey, Jeremy.
You're a legend finding this like so good. Sweet.
I am legendary.
There's a secret.
It was a secret.
There's a treasure secret.
You can turn the lights on and off.
So I won't do that. So when you go up here, I feel like you can go up because let's give me down. Oh wait, we can go down here. Oh wait, there's so many places we can go. Oh, this. Just check everywhere, I guess.
I can't make it up. Wait. Whoa.
We're supposed to.
It's probably not even down here.
I don't know where I'm at this point. I don't. Huh. I wonder if I'm supposed to be down here. I'm under it. I don't know how I got here. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to be under here because...
I found something.
Yeah, I'm following Max.
New area.
I found...
Oh. Whoa. What?
That's me making the noises.
What are you?
Look,
What are
look,
you
I'm
doing?
Wait, what the heck? Wait, Jimmy like found behind the scenes stuff.
What?
Jeremy accidentally glitched
Look,
behind the scenes.
look, I'm like under it. I got into like weird stuff.
Jeremy's inside the map.
I'm just gonna respawn. Alright, where did you guys go? Over that way? Okay. See, I went a different way.
Yeah, and then we went a different way than you went.
Did you guys check up here? I feel like we're supposed to get to the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm losing my voice.
I'm just trying
It's all these Cheetos I'm eating.
I think we can go up this way. Right here.
Oh,
This might be it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, Jordan, come on up here.
oh.
How am I supposed to get up there? There's gotta be some sort of tires. Oh wait, there's a barrier. Is there a barrier?
There's more lights.
We have to get up there somehow.
Oh,
Wait, Jordan found something. And I
found
just
it. I found the light.
Wait, where was it?
go back to where that mountain is behind you.
So, yeah. See the? Did you guys see that wheel that was, or whatever thing was that was spinning?
Go back, Max. It's right.
Actually,
there.
right in front of me. Right in front of me.
Can we back up to go to the bathroom?
Okay.
Okay, Jeremy, right to your right. There you go.
Whoa. That went far.
See? Now you're up here. Oh, late.
Oh yeah.
Now we just need Max to get up here.
Ah,
Tires right here.
Oops. Where? Oh, we just have to use them to get. Where are the tires? Oh, right here.
Right here. Right here.
You just maybe slide into them. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh, Jordan is right here. Wait, how is it not here?
Oh.
It's not here though, what the heck?
Wait up. Can't. There we go. Found my
Check out down there, I don't think it is down there though. Can we go over here?
I don't know. That's strange. It has to be. Like I feel like it has to be right here.
Okay.
But then again, it could be right here too.
I'm just going down and seeing if there's anything. Uh-oh.
Oh wait. Oh. Wait.
Can you get up there?
Oh.
Or
Oh no.
How did you get up so high up there?
Whoa.
Oh wait, Jordan, there's vents up here. Wait, I think we have to. There's a vent. We can get to. Can we get to this vent? Oh wait.
I don't. Oh, there we go. I don't know how I fell down here.
Why are there vents up here if you can't get to them? Huh. Level 9 is right there.
Wait. Okay, wait, where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh.
Wait, can we drop down here and climb up? We might be able to climb up from here on these things.
Wait, where'd you say level 9 was?
It's right on the other side of that wall.
Oh.
But if we come up right here, we can just scale this.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
I didn't want to drop all the way down.
How did I do? Bruh. Now, and now I dropped all the way down. Okay.
I gotta do this one again.
Alright, if we drop down here, and we slowly but surely make our way
Wait a second.
up here.
Oh no. No, I didn't want to fall down here. Dang it. No, I don't know.
Oh, that's so close. Oh no, I fell down.
Dang it. I gotta do the whole thing over again. But I don't remember which way we went.
You go up that thing and then, oh shoot.
Oh,
You could probably just respawn.
Oh, you're right, I could.
Alright, let's
I didn't think about that.
I go up this way, this way, this way, this way. Oh, don't do that, don't, okay. Okay.
Here we go.
Alright. I like having a gas pump. There's just a random gas pump up here. How am I supposed to make it to that? Yeah, this is a turn.
That's it.
Wait.
Oh,
No, it's
what?
just empty. No, it's just empty. No way. Did all that work for it to be empty?
Okay, I think I know. I want
Wait,
to try
is
something.
this- Okay. I'm kind of getting confused now because now it looks like the way, but it's.
I gotta
It's
drop
not.
down here, though.
What's down here? I feel like it's such a big map, but there's like, it's so, like, so much possibilities where you can get to levels on that are just not making it work.
Oh,
This
no,
is
don't
not
listen
the
to
way, I don't think.
lame.
At least this isn't the way he wanted us to do it. Like, I am like in some weird area now. I'm outside the map again, bro. I'm under level 9. Let's go. Oh wait, I wonder if he made it so that when we're down here we can get back up. Maybe that's what he did. Nope, he did not do that. Why is this a random thing? Huh. Let's see. I mean, these vents look like you could just walk right into them. Up here. I don't know.
Yeah, they do. Again, there's gonna be something that you can
Or
do
we
to
just-
maybe
do we
scale the
just
wall.
Slide and just. Wonder if we can just slide and get in.
That's you do it.
That's all we had to do. That is all we had to do. Slide and jump. Oh my god. Oh my god. You came back right? You figured it out. It's the simplest thing, and we went everywhere for it.
We went everywhere except where we were supposed to go.
All you have to do is slide and jump.
Wait, what level is this?
This is the next
Level
one.
8.
Slide and jump.
Oh yeah, you don't know how to get
Slide.
to that. That's cool.
That's sliding, isn't it?
You gotta slide all the way from the top, man. Start from the bottom.
Start from the bottom now, idiot.
Bro, my thumb hurts.
Why does your thumb hurt?
I don't
Oh,
know.
I found something.
Already?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wait.
Oh, where'd
I'm
you go?
going. I don't. Ow!
Ooh.
No, I think this is a death barrier. Yep.
Oh, I'm going there.
I don't know.
A little
I got
late.
Yeah.
I got stuck.
Yeah, it's a death. It traps
Wait,
you
what?
below water. It traps you below water. Wait, I spawned in the sky. Why did I spawn
Wait,
in the
Jeremy.
sky?
Jeremy,
Wait,
why did I
why is
spawn?
it telling
Wait, Jeremy,
me-
why am I stuck here?
Just respawn. It's a glitch.
I found a fishing rod. What is that?
Oh,
Oh,
Why
there
did
we
you give
go.
me that?
Stuck in the sky, man.
Can't pick up the fishing rod though. Give me my fishing rod.
Fishing rod, I want a fishing rod. Alright,
Give
where
it.
this
Give
be?
it. Give me my fishing rod. Oh, there we go.
Wait, there's a door here, guys. Oh, it's locked. Probably
Bro,
Yeah,
should
this,
we're-
like, being,
snipe.
Well, I have a
Yes,
fishing
it-
rod now.
it's so
I don't
trippy.
know
Yeah, it
what
is
I'm supposed to
actually.
use it for.
bro, Jeremy, when I went on a cruise, like, just before COVID happened, it was so weird because the last night they were, like, speeding. So the boat was rocking a little bit. It was like 12, it was like midnight, and we were at the cafe just getting dessert. And it was crazy because I was just standing there and I actually kind of had to walk around a little bit to keep my balance.
Oh, really?
It was crazy.
That's weird.
I loved it.
Oh, wait, I want to try something. Now that
I
have
don't
a
think
fishing
you would have
rod.
liked it.
Oh, wait. Wait, we probably have to use these.
Yeah, I'm
Well, how'd
curious
you
if
get-
you have to go through here.
Oh.
Wait, there's
Yeah.
fish. There's something happening here. It's
What?
like a weird.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Well, there is something weird happening
Probably
through
have
that.
to use the fishing rods for something. Something weird.
We have to get the door unlocked and then we use the fishing rods. Oh,
I just.
Is there a fish anywhere or
I
something
just grabbed you, Max.
related to water that we can use the fishing rods on?
That's what I'm curious if you have to go through this again and use the fishing rod.
Use it in water. Let's see.
Oh,
Can we use the fishing rod without?
okay, so you stop right here, so can I... Oh. Oh no.
bro, what? This thing's stuck. It's not working.
Wait, 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 wait.
What are we
I
waiting for?
wonder if we can fish through. We can fish through the hole.
You can't?
You can
That's-
fish here.
That's not
Wait, actually, I think you can. You just have to get it perfectly. Wait.
Oh,
No, it's through. My thing is through the hole.
I know it says that for me too, but it won't let it. I won't let it through for some reason. Unless there's a barrier there, we're not supposed to go that way.
Wait, I got it through right here.
Through where?
Right from down here, I got it through.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh,
I got it. I got it.
You're welcome, Max. I
wait,
just
what'd you get?
What did you get? Did you get something?
No?
What the heck? So confused.
It's gotta be through there, right?
Surely.
Don't call me Shirley.
Oh my god, there's no way. Oh, it's gotta be through here.
Bro,
Wait,
that's
I
making me.
got it.
Oh, let's go.
That's actually such a cool thing he did there, bro. This is trippy. Wait, we have to get these two.
Oh, wait.
No, we can't. This is trippy.
Whoa,
Tripping out.
this is very trippy. I'm so confused. Oh, I'm in water now.
Wait, there's tires here, guys. Yeah, here.
Oh, let's go. How many levels are in this? 15?
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
We're under the ice. We have to get out.
Wait, what? I
We're
can't.
under the ice.
I'm dying.
Okay, me too. Get out.
There you go.
This is dead end.
I didn't find the exit. Yeah, it's dead end.
What if I
Go, 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 go. Me too.
No. Why am I fishing?
Bro. Wait, I had small fries. I could have eaten them.
Oh, so did I.
What?
Is this way, Jordan?
Coming.
You're gonna die.
I don't know which way it is now.
I'm going right.
Go left.
It's a dead end over here.
This is my way.
Yeah, I died.
There's boats. Oh wait. Why is this button here for?
No, don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this. Ah, I was so close.
Look at these mines. These things are cool. What the heck?
We can't look at them because we're not there yet. Jeremy.
They're cool. We're missing out.
Other way, Jordan.
I didn't.
Yeah, because Jeremy didn't too. Wait, what? I'm glitched. Bro. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna die because of that.
Get up in the circle.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, whoa. Bro, this is sick.
Am I going the right way?
Why is
or
there
am
so
I-
many? Yes.
Okay. Ooh. What is this button thing?
Oh. Who did that?
Wait, what the heck? Whoa. Jordan.
Oh.
What was the button?
Did you just run into one?
No, right here. Get to the ship.
Oh,
I didn't even touch the ship.
I'm just a better driver. Hey.
that was kind of cool. Bro, I was in the
Wow,
zone,
you guys
Jeremy.
suck. You guys suck. Don't
I
follow
was-
Jeremy. He sucks at driving boats.
No, I was literally right behind him. In his line, and he ended up exploding on him.
Oh.
Let's go. Congratulations, you escaped. So much
Did you say
better.
escaped?
Escaped.
Oh, there's a.
Oh.
Alright, we gotta find the secret that's above.
Can I swim? Oh, I can swim.
Oh wait, this is it. Just go up here, that's it. Oh wait, next.
Jimmy, there's a floor up there.
No,
Yeah, secret.
dang it. I died.
Yes, and then the secret,
Jordan.
secret room. Wait, where is it?
Jordan, how'd you die?
Mine.
Wait, where is it from here?
I know you're mine, but how'd you die?
What?
Hey, yo. Where's
Sorry,
the
how'd you get up there?
Hello.
there's a thing, the tires.
Oh, tires.
How did you?
Oh, okay.
Wait, where'd you guys get on the boat at?
Yeah, no, let me get you up here. Get you up
Oh,
Oh,
here.
right
Put
here.
your car below me. Here, no, it's okay. There you go. Oh, that's
wow.
good. Where's the secret? I'm standing like right over it.
Ow.
Wait,
Oh,
does
this
anyone
thing
else
is-
think that that is scary?
But you can't see
Just
like that.
staring.
Like, I see that. I see totally different stuff because I have different settings.
I see that.
Oh, you do? That is kind of creepy. I wonder if it's over there at the
Hey,
iceberg.
wait,
Wait,
how'd
Jeremy,
you
you don't
guys
even
get
have
up
the
there?
rain.
No, I don't. I wonder if it's at that iceberg over there.
Maybe we should probably swim over to it. But
Max,
it's
can you?
inside.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I got
I
you, I
don't
got
hear
you.
any chests. That's the
No,
thing.
never mind. Never mind.
There would be chests. I think it's just because it's iceberg.
It's the most random iceberg ever. It's away from the map too. Jordan, come join me on my yacht and fish with me.
I'm looking for the secret room.
Oh.
Wait, yeah. Here it is. It's on the side.
Wait, Jeremy, I found the secret thing up here.
How'd
He just dropped down. Oh wait, Jeremy, look. There's literally a thing to launch you over to it.
I'll launch. How did you? Sweet. Yeah, here it is. There's the secret room.
Where is it?
Hi, Max.
Hey, Jordan.
I can't kill you.